Hello. I apologize for having to make a second video. I didn't realize that I was going to be cut off at 15 minutes. So I'm just going to break down my last two slides before ending this final research project. So as I said before, this is a timeline chart of the data collection process. So I included three different types of data. So my first would be the collection of data and notes from other teacher colleagues. So I would do this in about between August and October, and just collect notes on different strategies that colleagues found worked and things that they didn't think would work but may work with the class that I'm going to be with, and so on and so forth. And then the second type of data I would take would be anecdotal notes. So through classroom observation notes, I'm going to take notes on different management skills that worked and things that I think that I could improve on, or things that I should just throw out completely. And the notes will be taken pretty much every day when new skills are being put into place. So I might not put all management skill or one management skill in a day, but at least having that option to write them down every day is important for me. And then finally, within the December, right before Christmas break, I'd have a student reflection on the classroom management strategies and how they felt about the different ideas and what they think was the most effective on their overall learning experience, and how they felt the class was with the different classroom management skills. So as a result, through the process of building my action research plan, I believe that the study will definitely support my knowledge of teaching, because it gives me the opportunity to do my own homework and allows me to experiment with the different classroom management skills. So with having a better understanding of how to take on a classroom of 20 to 30 students, I believe I'll be able to walk in with confidence and to develop a stronger bond with the students that I am teaching. The more respect I give them and the more things we work out together, the better the classroom environment will be. So classroom management skills need to be clear in any type of classroom setting and should be enforced as much as possible without feeling as though you're being the teacher that's being bossy. So through my research and my future research, I believe that I can create the best environment I can for my students to learn and develop and be successful. Thank you very much for listening to my video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope to blossom and grow in my overall classroom management skills, and I hope to implement this research action plan within my future career. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.